Hi, this is Jerry Balloon with your Essential Entrepreneur's Business Tip of the Week. Today we're going to talk about qualifying prospects for sales by telephone. Now, many salespeople waste a lot of time calling on unqualified prospects. These are people that they think might buy but really aren't interested in buying. Smart salespeople call only on those who need or want the product or service that they have to offer. How do you find out which ones those are? Easy. You call them and ask them. You ask if they have a problem and name your solution. Here's one that we use. We've helped our clients profit in a down economy. Are you having problems? Can we help you increase your profits in a down economy? If they say no, you thank them, hang up, and call your next prospect. If they say that maybe they're interested in talking about it, say, well, when you know that you need our help, let us know. Hang up, go on to the next guy. Don't fall for the maybe I'm interested guy, because the chances are he's not going to buy from you anyway. If they say, yes, I want to talk, I've got a need, or I've got a want, then you make the appointment, then you go invest the time in seeing them. If you've got a question for me, drop me an email, jerry@jerryballoon.com. If you're interested in building your sales and your revenue, take a look on my website, www.jerryballoon.com, at my new book, Accelerate Your Profit Builders. There are more than 79 strategies to help you increase your sales. If you're looking to trim your cost or cut them without cutting your throat, take a look at my other book, the companion volume, Terminate Your Profit Killers. It will show you how to get rid of unneeded operating expenses without really killing you. Next week, we will talk about building more sales and revenue in a tough economy. I'll see you.